Are you scrolling YouTube for ideas of what to do on your own YouTube channel where you've stumbled upon the right video? Today I'm going to teach you the C strategy, so you never ever run out of YouTube ideas for your channel ever again.
Veena V.
Hey, I'm Veena V and I boost business owners' confidence on camera and just give you loads of ideas when it comes to starting your very own YouTube channel. So you're going to love this, and this is why we're here by the C. This is the C strategy. You're at the point of frustration right now. You just you don't know what videos to make, and you're now wasting time. You're now like, to be honest, this video is very ironic because I haven't uploaded on this YouTube channel for about 2.5 weeks, and I thought, damn girl, you gotta upload a video. And I was just here by the sea and I thought, hold on, what I do I haven't shared with you yet on my YouTube channel, and it is the C strategy. So let's get into the first letter of this strategy, which is C. Searchable content. I always tell you, especially for my business owners and entrepreneurs out there, that searchable content is really going to fast track your YouTube channel, make you grow and really build your brand fast. Okay, now if you don't know what searchable content is, it's what are people searching on YouTube. So for example, I know a lot of you have found my YouTube channel through searchable content, and it's things like the top 10 YouTube tips for beginners. So YouTube tips for beginners, how to film on your iPhone, how to grow your YouTube channel. Those are all searchable content ideas. So pause this video right now and think about your YouTube channel. What is searchable content for you and your niche? If you're in beauty, a searchable title would be something like how to contour, how to do the perfect eyeshadow. You can clearly tell I don't follow any beauty tutorials online, but they're things like that. What are people searching for? What tutorials do people need in their lives? I want to tell everyone, man.
3, 2, 1, start.
So in the last clip that you just saw, how can things happen so quick? I'm so angry right now because, anyway, I will reveal all at the end of this video. You can find out why I'm so extremely angry right now. Okay, so E is all about enjoyment. What do you enjoy? No one talks about this enough on YouTube. Everyone always gives you the tips, the strategies and all the rest of it to grow, but YouTube, the whole point is to make videos that you enjoy. What are you passionate about? And this is why so many people lose motivation on YouTube, including myself, by the way, in the earlier years of when I was trying to grow my YouTube channel, is that if you're not doing things that you enjoy, if you're not doing things that make you passionate, what is the point? What is the point of growing your YouTube channel to 1,000, 10,000, 500,000 subscribers? You get there and you haven't even enjoyed the process. You must enjoy the process. You must enjoy the journey. So really think about and write down, what do you enjoy doing? I love making videos outside. I love coming to new places. I love trying out different types of content. Yeah, do you know what? It probably makes my channel not grow as fast as it could, but at least I'm happy doing it, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Let's cue the violins. Okay, and the last part of this 3-part strategy to make sure that you don't get demotivated and you never run out of ideas for your YouTube channel is A. Audience. Always, this is so important. Always be asking your audience, what videos do they want to see from you? And why this is so good is because sometimes you might feel a bit uncreative and you just feel a bit uninspired and you're just like, I don't know what videos to make. But this is where your audience, this is where your subscribers can really help you, because they've subscribed to you for a reason. They watch you for a reason. They might love a specific way you do something. They might want to see something from you and you haven't even thought about it yet. And this is a great way to be engaging with your audience. It's a great way to grow your channel even more, is to always be asking your audience, what content do they want? And top tip for you, always, that was really scary, always ask your subscribers in the comment section below what videos they want to see from you, plus ask them in the video. So Ta-da! I'm going to ask you right now, my amazing team action, I love you so much. Comment below, what videos do you want to see on this channel? My son, I think, is going to end up starting a YouTube channel soon. He's now got to that age where he always wants to be in my videos, hence why you can hear his voice and he's just running. So before I tell you why I got extremely angry whilst filming this video, I need to tell you about my free training. Go ahead right now, the link is below this video or should pop up on the screen right now. I've got some free YouTube training for you. It's the 5 steps for you to have an absolutely successful YouTube channel. Plus I reveal my top tools, my secret tools revealed on how you can never ever run out of content ideas ever again for your YouTube channel. I really hope you found this video. Do you know what, you can really tell I'm tired. You can't tell, but it's literally 9:30 right now. We're in Southend in Essex in the UK. I don't know why it looks so light, it's actually really dark. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, take action today, not tomorrow. Whatever you want is on the other side of this hand. You've got to get past that brick wall, but I promise you when you do, miracles do exist. And shall I tell them, child, why I'm angry? So basically why I was extremely angry is because this child right there, he just wandered off. You know, I was recording the video and I said to him, just stay there, I'm just recording literally 1 minute of a clip. As soon as I finished recording, I couldn't even see him. I thought, where the hell has he gone? And I was not impressed at all. I've come to the sea to meditate and de-stress, and I just ended up being more stressed in my life. So thanks for that, child. That's
That won't count.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind.